Hey guys, my brother went out here with his phone or something because he's bought a phone for $900 with Flappy Bird on it. So, what are you guys doing? Yo, Anthony, that phone is brand new. That phone's brand new, kid. Oh, Skylar, what are you doing? You both hate that phone?
I got it.
Oh my goodness. Give me the phone. Give me the phone.
I got it.
No, yo, guys, don't smash the phone. I bought that for $900. What are you guys doing?
Let's go, Anthony.
Yo, you guys smashed the phone. I spent $900 on this phone, and they broke it. They broke the phone I bought for $900. You guys are psychos, you know that? What's the point of having this now?
That's the battery, I got it.
What's the point of having the phone? What's the point of having the phone? You guys are crazy, you know that? You guys are straight up crazy.
That's what you do.
Oh my goodness. Look what they did to this phone. Just absolutely destroyed. It's imploded, guys. Look it. I don't get why I'm clicking the home button. Not even a scratch on this thing. Oh my goodness. Guys, stop it. You guys are ruining the phone I bought for $900,
It's already
man.
broken, you dumb shit.
You guys just lost on Flappy Bird, so why are you guys getting mad?
Because it's mad and it's sickening.
Flappy Bird's sickening? How dare you guys? What? Oh, that's it. I'm tired of you guys.
Where's the phone?